famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Ooh, who would've thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, babe. Ooh, who would've thought I'd get you?
I'll take some time just to be thankful that I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories
Don't you love when I come around? Somebody just fill you up and I take you down. Got someone tonight. Don't you love when I come around? Somebody just build you up and I take. Ooh, who would've thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, babe. Who would've thought I'd get you?
Doing like 13 candles of my coconut caramel scent, right? Because since testing has succeeded, I'm gonna go ahead and start making some candles to sell. So thank God I have enough to make more candles, but I have enough wax to only make 25, so I will have a bit of fragrance left. Not too much, but I'll have something left to make like 1, maybe 3 or something like that. But yeah, so I put enough wax in for like all 13 that I can make of this scent, and I'll make 12 of my other scents so I can make 25 in all. And I know I've been just pushing these videos out and stuff like that. I've been trying to get all this content. So with that being said, I haven't really had like true intros and outros on them because it's just more about candle making and then just getting into the, the business of it and, just doing stuff and then putting music over it. Sometimes I put a music over it and stuff like that. But yeah, so here's the intro here. Hello to all my new subscribers and old subscribers, and people who haven't subscribed yet, so please make sure to subscribe. My name is Destiny Hope, and I own Destiny Hope Candles and Destiny Hope Wholesale as well. And I do lifestyle content and also candle business content, wholesale business content, and just any other businesses that are there as well.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. on me. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not fake. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Y'all on this side, y'all over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, yeah, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me.
Okay, so this is the finished product of my coconut caramel scent. They look good for the most part. Some of them, thank God I actually got into the rhythm of pouring around like the last few. So I ended up taking the paper out because I feel like the wax was getting trapped in there when I was pouring, because some of the sides aren't as clean. They're not terrible, but this is matte and stuff like that, and I don't want any fingerprints or like wax getting on it. But some of these have like little wax strips, like you can, if you can see that one right there, it's not bad. It's like a little line going down. So I'm thinking about wiping it clean, and then putting like the label over it and stuff like that. But for the most part, they are very clean. Thank God I actually did put enough wax in for the 13 candles, and I didn't do more than that. That's why I didn't add the fragrance oil to the Presto pot itself, because I didn't want to like water it down with too much wax and down the fragrance oil, because how I was counting, you remember I was doing like 6.6, like as individuals, in which that's how I did these. So I poured these by 3 because I got a smaller pouring pitcher. It made it easier to do, and thank God I was able to scoop it out. That made it so much easier. So I'm proud of myself. I'm extremely hot, even though the air was on. I'm extremely hot. I got a lot of wax on my surface here, so obviously I need to clean it up. You probably can't really see it, but I got wax on my printer and I got wax on here, but it's not too bad. I could just get like a credit card and wipe it, or just heat gun it.
You wanna get with me, stop it.
Tell me what you see in me.
gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Make more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you. Nobody else makes you. Nobody else had a clue what I can do, what I can do. We're riding around the love, riding around the truck, riding around the dick. Riding around the slap me up, I think I'm throwing a fit. Riding around the world, lately, riding around talking to me. Oh, I got that.
Okay, so I just heat gun the tops. These 4 were already perfect. These were good too. They weren't bad at all. It's just that I found like some random debris that came from these clothespins or whatever. So I just went and got all the debris off the tops and whatnot. And actually, they slick didn't need to be didn't need to, because as you can see, like they're a bit like they're not as smooth as they were. So but they still look good. But I do know that next time I may not heat gun. I may just leave them like they are, because now they look a little bumpy. So I don't know if I need to go over them again or what. But yeah, because as you can see, like even with these, I don't know. Yeah, they don't look like how they did before. But now I know for next time, they're not bad or anything, because the lid is going to go on top. But they're not bad or anything, but they did look better before. So I may have just should have like left a little print. I don't know, whichever would have made more sense, but hey.
I've been on top for a while. NASA chip to the moon. Fast car make gon' room, room. Niggas just boom, boom, boom. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in the butter jelly. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lemon, sliding in the Benz. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of.
It should be it, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Follow me on all of my social medias. They will be on the ending screen and possibly here as well. I'm not sure. But they will be on like the outro and whatnot. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. You know, comment any questions. So like, comment, subscribe. Like if you like, and dislike if you disliked it. You know, save it as well to your I know I do. I save people's content. Like either I'm gonna remake it or it's just going to be helpful to me at some point. So I save people content and videos and stuff like that I find helpful, that I want to remake in the future in my playlist. So save it if you're going to find this helpful at some point too. So, hey. But hopefully you guys have a good and a blessed day, and see you.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby is